Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Yeah, fake token have gotten listed. You can see BabySwap listed fake token, and so many crypto exchanges like Get.io, like BigX, like XT.com, Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3, and many of them have actually listed fake token. I'm happy to see this coin keep getting massive support. Now, fake token, one important thing I love about this coin is that I love the name Feed Every Gorilla token, and this coin have gotten over $30 million market cap. And one important thing you need to understand about some knowing all these small cap coins that have better project, that have good plans, that at least you can see these coins trying to massively increase, having a better plan. Fake token is one of the coins that have a very good plans, and I imagine Get.io have already listed this coin, BigX, XT.com. Now I believe very soon you'll be seeing Kucoin, we'll be seeing Binance, we'll be seeing Coinbase listing fake token. Now, fake token in terms of coin, in terms of supply, I think they still need to burn. They need to really focus on the burning of fake token coins. But to me, I think getting the likes of XT.com, Get.io, BigX, and then you can see recently BabySwap, and we also have the likes of PancakeSwap. I mean, this is a good news for fake token. Massive listing is coming before the end of the year, and I believe if you can get Crypto.com, and very soon you'll be seeing the likes of Kucoin, Kraken listing this coin. The developers have actually told us, in fact, if you check their website, you will see the plans, the roadmap they have for this year. I mean, they have a fantastic roadmap for this year, and I believe if we can get up to 10 to 15 listing this year, 2023, fake token is expected to hit over 10,000% increase in price before the end of the year. Now, today, fake token is already on green, gaining over 25% increase in price. You can see this coin is amazing. This coin is trying, and that is why I want to encourage. For me, I bought fake token that was last year. So even though you want to buy fake token, buy and invest what you can afford to lose. That's the golden rule: buy and invest what you can afford to lose. And I believe that fake token will keep increasing. Imagine fake token hitting about 1 million percent before the end of 2030. That is going to be a huge profit, a huge amount. And I believe people have been investing, people have been pumping in money into fake token, and I'm hoping to see when we keep getting more investors pushing in money, investing on fake token, which is help this coin to grow in terms of market cap and in terms of community. Let's keep hoping for the best this year, 2020. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.